This is where you've been for 20 years? You've been rescuing them. Unbelievable.
You're not upset?
What? No, I don't know. It's a bit much to get my head around, to be frank. It's not every day you find out your mother is some kind of crazy, feral, vigilante dragon lady.
Oh. At least I'm not boring. Right?
Well, I suppose there is that. One specific thing.
Do you like it?
I don't have the words.
Can I? Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, incredible. He might very well be the last of his kind. Oh, and look, he's your age.
Wow.
Oh, no wonder you get along so well. Oh, yeah. Retractable teeth. How did you manage?
I found him in the woods. He was shot down and wounded.
This snaffle fang lost his leg to one of Drago Bloodbeast's iron traps.
This raincutter had a wing sliced by razor netting. And this poor hobblegrunt was blinded by a tree snare, and then left to die alone and scared.
And what of this? Did Drago or his trappers do this too?
Oh, yeah. Well, crazy thing is, I'm actually the one who shot him down. Hey, it's okay though. You got me back, right, bud? You couldn't save all of me, could you? You just had to make it even. So, peg leg.
What did your father think of your Night Fury friend?
He didn't take it all that well. But then he changed. They all did. Pretty soon, everyone back home had dragons of their own.
If only it were possible.
No, really.
Believe me, I tried as well, but people are not capable of change, Hiccup. Some of us were just born different.